Okay, students, today's problem comes from the Junior International Logic Olympiad JILO, a competition where your brain gets more exercise than your legs during the sports day. So JILO questions are not about the formulas. They are about thinking like the Sherlock Holmes with a math notebook. And today we have a cube. Not just any cube, a cube with attitude. So let's understand the situation first. The cube below has a unique digit written on its six faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Four different views of the same cube are shown below. Okay. Now what digit is on the face opposite to the one with 6 on it? Okay. So we will solve this together. Just give me a second. Okay, so let's understand the situation first. A cube has number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? On its faces. And just a second. Yeah. And we are shown four different views of the same cube, right? And the question is, which number is opposite to 6? Simple question but dangerous. Now first, important rule of a cube problem. Adjacent faces appear together in a single view. Adjacent faces appear together in a single view. Okay, and second, opposite faces never appear together. So if two numbers are seen together, they are friends, and if they never meet, they are enemies, like opposites. Okay, so let's carefully observe the views. Okay, so view number 1. Top 5, side 6 and 3. And so 6 is adjacent to 5 and 3, right? Now view 2. Top 6 and sides are 1 and 3, right? View 3. Top 3 and sides are 4 and 5. So 3 is adjacent to 4 and 5. Now the view 4. Top 4, sides 2 and 5. So 4 is adjacent to 2 and 5. Okay. Now our hero is 6. Let's track its friendships. Now from the views, adjacent to 5, adjacent to 3, adjacent to 1. So 6 has friends 1, 3, 5. Okay. Now a cube face has exactly 4 adjacent faces and 1 opposite face. So if 6 has 3 known neighbors 1, 3, 5 and it must have one more neighbor. So let's find that missing neighbor. So numbers are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we already used 1, 3 and 5. Okay. Neighbors of 6. Remaining numbers 2 and 4. Okay. So now check carefully. 4 is seen with 5 and 2 and 3 is seen with 4 and 5. So 4 is kind of busy with others and fits well as adjacents. So neighbors of 6 will be what? 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay. So total faces 6. Neighbors of 6 4 faces, and 6 itself is 5 faces, and one number left 2, and that must be opposite face. So the number opposite to 6 is 2. Okay, so remember, friends sit together and enemies stay opposite, right? And cube question, they test whether your brain is rotating or stuck. So next time you see a cube, don't just look at it, interrogate it. Okay, so whenever you see the cube problems, track one number only, list its neighbors, and opposite is the one, never sin with it. Okay, simple and beautiful. So we have beautifully solved a classic question from the Junior International Logic Olympiad. Okay, so we will meet at the next session with a new question of this examination, and that will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so we will meet at the next session. Bye bye.